Hello guys, welcome to IAS Expert YouTube channel. Today's lecture is Nobel Prize winners in 2020. Before going into the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Chetan TVK and please do visit our website iasexpert.com. About Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is administered by Nobel Foundation, which is located in Stockholm, Sweden. And Nobel Prize is found by will. Will is a last wish of a dying person written in legal format. This is called as will. Will of Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel. So, they named Nobel Prize. In 1901, the first Nobel Prize is awarded to Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen for discovery of X-rays. He is the first person to win Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is awarded to prominent persons or organizations in medicine, physics, chemistry, literature, peace and economics. Please remember that Nobel Prize is awarded for both persons and organizations. And the prize money is 10 million Swedish kronas, which is equal to 1,12,000 US dollars or 82,27,755 Indian rupees. In 2020, Nobel Prize in Medicine category is awarded to 3 persons. One is Harvey J. Alter, who is US citizen, and Michelle Houghton is an United Kingdom citizen, and Charles M. Rice is a US citizen. Nobel Prize is awarded for discovery of hepatitis C virus. So, what is hepatitis? Hepatitis is a inflammation of liver caused by hepatitis virus. There are 5 types of hepatitis: A, B, C, D and E. So, these 3 members discovered hepatitis C virus, which cause hepatitis C. Coming to physics, it is awarded 3 members. The first one is Roger Penrose. He discovered that black hole formation is a robust prediction of general theory of relativity. Who proposed the general theory of relativity? Einstein proposed general theory of relativity, which is related to gravitation, and proposed in 1915. What is meant by black hole? Black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it, even electromagnetic radiations such as light. It is called as black hole. Coming to Reinhard Genzel and Andre Geis. These two discovered supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy. So, Nobel Prize is awarded for 3 persons. Coming to chemistry, it is awarded to 2 persons. The first one, Emmanuel Charpentier, who is a French and Jennifer A. Doudna. She is a US citizen. Nobel Prize is awarded for discovered the method of genome editing, which is CRISPR. Clustered, regularly interspaced, short, palindromic, repeats. This is the full form of CRISPR, which is a genome editing technique discovered by these two. Coming to literature, it is awarded to Louise Gluck for her unmistakable poetic voice that with austere beauty makes individual existence universal. She is a US citizen. Coming to economics, it is awarded to two persons, Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson, awarded for improvement to auction theory and invention of new auction formats. Both are US citizens and awarded Nobel Prize in Economics. Coming to the peace, it is awarded to organization called as World Food Program, WFP. Awarded for its effort to combat hunger, for its contribution to bettering condition for peace in conflict affected area, and for acting as driving force in effort to prevent the use of hunger as weapon of war and conflict. So, Nobel Peace Prize is awarded to organization called as World Food Program, which was founded in 1961 and headquarters is located in Rome. What is food program? And it is the food assistance branch of United Nations. It is a branch of United Nations. It is the world's largest humanitarian organization and the largest one focused on hunger, and the largest provider of school meals also. So, World Food Program is a branch of United Nations and it is a largest provider of food security and school meals. These are the list of Indian Nobel Prize winners. The first Nobel Prize given to Rabindranath Tagore in 1913 for literature. Second one, C.V. Raman in 1930 physics. Third one, Mother Teresa 1979 peace. Even though she born in North Macedonia or Republic of Macedonia, she was granted Indian citizenship. So, she comes under India. Amartya Sen in 1998 for economics. Kailash Satyarthi 2014 in peace category. Rajendra K. Pachauri in 2007 for peace category. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.